So right now we're waiting for the fix-it man to come. Not for our apartment, but for the people below us. So our AC is inside, but the people on the 14th floor, theirs is outside. So this is what, the third time the guy is coming to fix it for them? But he has to go through the window on the balcony, or not the balcony, what is it? He has to go out the window and like suspend his way down to their apartment to fix the AC. So last time he was here, right, he just wrapped the cords and the bands around this, which you can tell is very sturdy since it's coming outside of the wall. And he somehow maneuvered his way outside of this very small and skinny window. And, come here, let me see it. If you look, there is nowhere for this man to stand. The ledge is about 2 inches, and then he somehow maneuvers his way onto this ledge to suspend down. This man's gonna have a myocardial infarction. Or shit, I might, to be honest. Cause this, oh man. But yeah, we are really high up. And yeah, if this man falls, there ain't no coming back. Alright, here he is. He's got all of his tools ready to go. Ready to risk his life for about $22. Yep, those are the same ropes. Alright, here he goes. He's gonna wrap him around the unsturdy bar. Yeah, Chinese Spider-Man. They want diversity in America. They should bring this guy to be the actor. There we go. Safety first. Hey, go close the door.
Right?
Oh, good. Yeah, talk on the phone while you do this.
Yeah.
You don't need your full concentration. Let's be distracted. That's a good idea. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, we can move that. Don't worry. You do what you gotta do, man. Loop, swoop, and pull. Right? That's what it was from Adam Sandler and Big Daddy. Yep, loop, swoop, and pull. There we go. That's probably international safety standard. OSHA would approve of this. Nope, different place. Need more slack. Gotta move it closer. More slack. Yeah, pull it tight. Get it right, get it tight. Alright, here goes Chinese Spider-Man out the window onto the 2-inch ledge. 小心点啊. Yep, this is what happened last time. Here he goes. Yep. It's about as zoomed out as I can go. Here he goes onto the 2-inch ledge. And he's down to the 14th floor. Oh, we can't even, we see his leg. Whew, yep, 15 floors high, baby. So where are you guys from?
Guangdong.
Oh, cool.
On the province.
What do you do here in Suzhou?
I'm a tea teacher.
A what teacher?
Tea.
Tea, like
yeah.
drinking tea?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
how do you teach people to drink tea?
No, not teach them to drink tea, not only by that, but also teach them how to brew it. How to brew it and how to appreciate it.
Okay.
She is the same.
You too?
Yeah, we
Cool.
tea teacher.
Nice. Do you ever do tea ceremonies for foreigners?
Yes. For some foreign teacher, foreign students.
He's yelling.
怎么啦?
He needs a tool.
Yeah.
Which one?
I don't know.
That's why his hand is up.
Oh, 是不是这个？
I don't know which one he wants.
是要工具吗？要工具吗？是这个调表吗？
Oh, and this is how we get him his tools. Here, I'll hold this.
Hold it.
Yes.
Thank you.
We just suspend them to his outreaching hand.
Okay.
Yep, now he's got it.
Can you hold it for a moment?
Sure.
I would told my friends not to open the air conditioner.
Okay. Can you close the door also?
Okay.
Thank you. Now, I'm sure these girls are nice people, but they do tea ceremonies. They're fucking ripping people off, I swear. That's a common thing here. You tell people, oh, it's a tea ceremony, and it's just a tea sales pitch, and they charge you an arm and a leg for tea and cups and shit, and the reason I know is because it happened to me. Hello.
Hello.
You're here to help, right?
Got
Yep, you're here to help. Just hold on to the rope. Make sure he doesn't fall and die. Okay? Yeah, no clue what I said. He's coming back up.
好的吗？好修
可以
吧？
修吗？可以修吗？
Here's our helper. They're discussing
我靠，你别唠了，
their
好多
stock
贵的
investments and
刚修的才
portfolios.
1万块钱。
Here come this Chinese Toby Maguire.
那么多你给你会？
He got to go back again? He needs his tools.
线坏了就换空调，好了。
All that for a little wire.
这个房子就差不多05年、06年的房子。因为它这个空调修的大了。
All right, round 2. Here we go.
Don't this shit make a nigga wanna Don't this shit make a nigga wanna Don't this shit make a nigga wanna Don't this shit make a nigga wanna
Why is he pulling on the cord?
Maybe choose another one season.
Yeah. He's passing the tools back up, man.
先递工具。
上来是吧？啊？
Here he comes. End of round 2. Slap the board. They're coming back. No, in boxing, that's what you do. At the end of the round,
麻了吧？
they slap it so you know how much time is
等一
left.
下，活动一下。
麻了吧？
Careful, man. This isn't the time to fall. He made it this far. Watch your head, player. Oh yeah, wipe the sweat first. That's more important. Whew. 在里面小心。欢迎回来。
啊，腿都麻死。
腿都麻了。
Oh, I guess that's it. He's untying.
拍个照。
Can I interview you? You probably won't understand, but that's okay.
他想采访你。
You're gonna be famous on YouTube.
喂，
You're probably gonna get hired to work at an American company. I don't know if it'll be cheap labor or expensive because of your skills, but I hope you don't mind moving to a foreign country in a language that you can't speak.
干嘛？
Oh.
应该是平时没。
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
今天有事，有其他的事。
All right. Well,
啊，明
I
天，
guess that's it.
明天。
他一天要上工作报纸。
Safe and sound. He's back.
啊。